a behind-the-scenes look at Fallout video game series concept design. Welcome to Pixel Vault, the podcast where we dive behind the scenes of your favorite video game series. Today, we are going to take a fascinating journey into the world of Fallout, the beloved post-apocalyptic franchise that has captivated gamers for decades. From the ashes of a world devastated by nuclear catastrophe to the ruins of a once great civilization, the Fallout series has always been a masterclass in immersive storytelling and detailed world building. But what lies behind the creation of this vast, dusty landscape? In this episode, we are going to explore the concept design process that brought the Fallout universe to life and talk to some of the talented artists and designers who helped shape the series into its iconic form. Let's start by understanding what concept design is and why it's such a crucial step in the game development process. Concept design is the process of creating the initial ideas and visual representations of a game's world, characters, and environments. It's the part of game development where artists and designers start to think creatively about the game's aesthetic and begin to experiment with different styles, colors, and textures. In the case of Fallout, the concept design process involved creating a world that was both shocking in its destruction and eerily familiar in its familiarity. The Fallout team wanted to create a world that was reminiscent of the America we knew and loved, but with a twisted and decaying edge. How did they achieve this balance? We'll be exploring that in the next part of the episode, but first, the Fallout video game series, set in a post-apocalyptic world, has been captivating gamers since 1997. But have you ever wondered what went into designing these iconic landscapes and environments? The idea of creating a vivid, immersive world was a top priority for the game's conceptual artists from the very beginning. For example, take the first Fallout game, released in 1997. At the time, developer Interplay Entertainment was experimenting with a retro-futuristic aesthetic that drew inspiration from 1950s and 60s science fiction illustration. The game's concept artist, Leonard Boyarsky, would later recall that the team was looking to create a feel that was both nostalgic and yet eerily prophetic of the darker aspects of human history. In Fallout 3, released in 2008, the team at Bethesda Game Studios took a distinctly different approach. Inspired by the harsh, desolate landscapes of the American Southwest, the art team crafted a world that was both beautiful and brutal. The iconic Pip-Boy, a central element of the game's design, is a perfect example of this attention to detail, from its retro-style layout to its practical, utilitarian functionality. The Pip-Boy became an essential part of the Fallout experience, and it's a testament to the team's dedication to world building and immersion that the Pip-Boy has become an instantly recognizable symbol of the Fallout franchise. Fallout series environments are not just mere backdrops, they're also characters in their own right. Take, for instance, the ruins of the Capital Wasteland in Fallout 3. The landscape is both a commentary on the ravages of war and a testament to the resilience of human ingenuity. From the burned-out husks of skyscrapers to the makeshift tunnels and trenches dug by surviving settlements, the art team worked tirelessly to craft a world that felt both devastated and yet eerily hopeful.